What I love most about the MFA program is the ability to cultivate relationships based around the deep work of making poetry and the type of thinking, feeling, perceiving required to do that in a devoted and artful way. The hope is after 3 years that you come out of here with a practice that is adding meaning to your life for the rest of your life.
One of the things that I love the most is that the program is a 3-year program, and I love that you really have the time to work on your craft in a way that I think a lot of programs don't.
And that 3-year program gives students space to really grow and step into themselves.
My students are writing all sorts of things from speculative fiction to cli-fi to very traditional stories to it's just all over the map. And I think everyone's really respectful and kind, but yet really thorough in their critique. And I just feel like the community that we have here is something that I wish I had had more of in my MFA program.
With that variety, students get to really figure out what they want to be as a poet with a lot of positive interaction with different thinkers.
They're students that somehow, manage to create a loving community that's more invested in celebrating each other's accomplishments. And that was a completely different experience than my experience in my MFA program.
And I also just love the environment of Fort Collins. We're not the hugest city, but it's pretty vibrant, and I love that there's so many different ways to engage with your art.
It's a university town with lots of opportunities for all kinds of people. So you can come to Colorado State University and really find yourself in a variety of different ways. We don't ascribe to a rigid view that you have to be when you leave who you were when you came.